Hello, this is Uzamaka from the Women of Remarkable Destiny, and I'm here to do a teaching just to encourage you. So today's title is just Be Encouraged. First of all, I want to um, read a Psalm 43, verse 5. It says, "Why are you cast down, O my inner self? And why should you mourn over me and be disquieted within me? Hope in God and wait expectantly for him. For I shall yet praise him, who is the help of my sad countenance and my God." I've been doing a teaching series about overcoming the effects of sexual abuse, and I've shared my testimony that I was sexually abused as a child. I had over 80 issues, and there were all kinds of issues that I had. I went through seasons when I experienced depression. I was low, cast down, even based on this psalm that I've just read. And it's taken a very long journey. It's been a very long journey, over 30 years, to find healing, wholeness. And there's still things that, once in a while crop up. Even earlier today, as I was doing this teaching, something came up and I thought, oh my goodness, where did that come from? So it's been a process of finding healing, inner healing, mental healing, emotional healing, because some people don't really know the real effects of the trauma people experience who've actually experienced sexual abuse. And this psalm that I read is a psalm, David. There's an anointed man of God in the Bible called David, and he experienced a lot of battles in his life. He went through a lot of trials, a lot of tests, and all kinds of things. But one thing that I liked about David was he always encouraged himself in the Lord. There are times that you go through situations, you you might phone a friend and they're not there. You might, you need someone to encourage you and you find that there's no one there. But you have to get to the stage that as you're going through your healing process, you have to find ways of encouraging yourself. It's a journey. It's like a train. You're going on a journey, and sometimes it's a long journey. Sometimes each day, you have to take each day as it comes. Sometimes you can have things that are unexpected that could happen as you're going through your healing process. But one of the key things I really want to just bring out is encourage yourself in the Lord. Find ways of encouraging yourself when you feel discouraged, when you feel depressed, when you feel that you can't go on, you feel suicidal. You just have to pull yourself out. There are times that you're alone with your mind and your thoughts. But you have to pull yourself out. Pull it out. You pull yourself out and feel encouraged, and encourage yourself. You can encourage yourself by reading the Bible, finding psalms of healing. You can encourage yourself by listening to God worship, gospel music. You can encourage yourself by doing something new, something